Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off manually enable and night shift on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the display and brightness, then tap. Then after that, in the display and brightness, scroll down and find the night shift, then tap. Then after that, in this part, in the night shift, find the manually enable until tomorrow, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it until it becomes green to enable or turn on. And if you want to disable or turn off, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off manually enable and night shift on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.